Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean heavily corroded battery terminals using a battery cleaner that comes in a can. This is the one that I got from Walmart, about $4. So this one is a battery cleaner and acid detector. So it will turn pink when it detects some acid. This battery is over 4 years old, so you can see a little bit fairly spots of pink. So it means that it has a little bit of acid. It's not that bad, it's mostly yellow, which is what you want to see. So the battery is still strong. So basically I've been having a sluggish start when I start this car up, and I want to try to start off doing something easy. I just wanted to clean all the terminals and positive and the negative cables. So basically on how to do this is it's very simple. All you do is spray it liberously, keep it there for 5 minutes, and then have water ready, because you're going to have to flush it later on with water, and have a clean rag ready so you can clean it off, and that will clean this car up. And hopefully if this eliminates the problem, then I won't have to spend for a new battery. But if not, it's worth a try. $4, and then at least you clean the corrosion off. You can look at that bright side like that. So this is a 99 Lexus GS300. Please like, comment, subscribe. There will be a video on this car, a full review of this 99 Lexus GS300. Stay tuned. Bye bye.